Hello, it's me again, Sasha. It's the 8th of April 2022, and for today there was an SSTV activity scheduled on the ISS over VHF 145.800 MHz. So I thought, let's check out how well we could maybe capture SlowScanTV over the Goonhilly VHF-WebSDR ground station using the applications RXSSTV and of course Orbitron2WebSDR. There were 3 good passes and I used them all. On the first pass, something went wrong because auto-select satellite tracking was still activated in Orbitron, and so in the middle of the passes, Orbitron changed the satellite and I lost the picture. Also, if you look into the waterfall diagram of the WebSDR, you can see dark horizontal lines. Audio interruptions issues these lines probably. I call them audio gaps. They are caused maybe by an insufficient internet bandwidth or something like this. And these caused the decoder to fail, so RXSSTV wasn't able to get out a picture of the signal, as you can see. The pictures are completely rubbish. They are completely choppy. Then I got an idea. I pressed the record button on the WebSDR page. I downloaded the record and played it back afterwards with the media player. And guess what? The image turned out to be fantastic. I mean, yes, of course. When we are at the Fuzz-Off ground station, the picture are, of course, a lot more sharp and more crisp, and the overall quality is better. But using WebSDR, and I guess they simply use a non-directional helical antenna, it's quite impressive what can be obtained when you constantly track the signal with a cat control. And here you see that I'm starting the recording, and I guess that the recording of that audio signal is a lot better than if I redirect the captured signal from the web browser via VB cable to RXSSTV. I noticed also that sometimes there are some audio gaps in the received audio stream of the WebSDR station. And I think that this is the main issue, that RXSSTV is not able to resync the image correctly. Whereas when I use the recording, which is directly recorded maybe on site and then downloaded as an MP3, the signal is recorded at best possible quality without the presence of those audio gaps. So this is all what was possible to acquire for the first picture of that pass. Now it will take some time until the second picture will start, so I forward a little bit. And you recognize immediately that the produced image out from that audio is really bad. It's super choppy. But you will see afterwards the recording resulting from this pass is amazing. Usually at the Far-Off ground station, my students are only allowed to record SSTV from the ISS in direct mode, so they are not allowed to use intermediate recording steps in between. But obviously here the recording quality is not good enough, so the recorded audio has to be used and the image has to be generated after the pass. On the other hand, I am sure that there is some room for optimization regarding the setup of this toolchain, WebSDR, VB cable, RXSSTV. Also, this computer is not the best. It's an old laptop, i5 generation 2 or 3, I guess. 4 GB of RAM, and I have maybe 5 gigs left on the hard disk. And if you have some ideas what could be optimized, please be so kind and put it in the commentary just below of the video. That would be very, very nice and useful. That was it for that second picture of that pass. And I did not expect to get a full third picture, so I did a break here and immediately downloading the recording and played back that recording using the VLC player with the output redirected into RXSSTV, again using VB cable. And then I was looking for the beginning of the transmission, and from now on I am quiet and allow you to listen to the signal and maybe to allow you to redirect that signal to your own RXSSTV using VB cable. And here you see the rest of the third picture, which is being transmitted. But anyway, this wouldn't have been able to be completed, so we missed nothing. Thank you very much for having watched this video. I hope that you found it very interesting. And if you want to perform also some nice reception sessions using WebSDR, feel free to go to my GitHub and download the Orbitron2WebSDR cat control application. So until my next video, I wish you all the best and take care.